Have you ever wondered about the beauty of aquatic gardens? Imagine a tranquil oasis brimming with ponds, fountains, and a wide array of water plants. These enchanting spaces are gaining popularity in both urban and suburban settings. So let's dive deeper into the mesmerizing world of aquatic gardens. The first element we're going to explore is the pond. Ponds are the heart of an aquatic garden, providing a tranquil home for a variety of water plants and often a playground for fish. They set the stage for the rest of the garden, from the humble lily pond, with its delicate floating blooms, to the bustling koi pond, full of life and movement. Each type of pond brings a unique charm, setting the tone for your garden's personality. Remember, the pond is your canvas for creating a beautiful aquatic garden. Next up is the fountain, the heart of any aquatic garden. Fountains add a dynamic, ever-changing element to your garden, transforming it into a living work of art. Picture the soothing sound of running water, a calming symphony that washes away the day's stress. Fountains come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique aesthetic appeal. From traditional tiered styles to modern minimalist designs, there's a fountain to suit every garden. A fountain can truly bring your aquatic garden to life. And finally, we have the water plants, the vibrant inhabitants of your aquatic garden. From floating lilies to submerged oxygenators, these plants play a vital role in maintaining the garden's ecosystem. They offer shelter and food to your garden's wildlife, while also adding a splash of color and texture to the landscape. With their varied shapes and sizes, they lend a natural touch that seamlessly blends with the water features. With a diverse selection of water plants, your aquatic garden can become a paradise. Creating an aquatic garden is a journey of discovery and creativity. Each element, from the tranquil ponds to the elegant fountains and vibrant water plants, plays a critical role in crafting a balanced, beautiful oasis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights. Until next time, happy gardening!